Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT. In this video, I'd like to take yet another dive into QuoteWerks Web API. I'm going to get straight into this one. The last couple of videos have been rather long. I'm going to try and keep this one a lot shorter. So this is a real-world example. Customer came to us this morning. They were having trouble with non-standard characters, open brackets, curly brackets, ampersands, that type of thing, null values. In descriptions and certain custom fields. It was caused by them copy-pasting information from another source, I think a website, but they were copy-pasting information from there into QuoteWerks Web, which was then causing issues when they were trying to render the PDF, upload it to Quote Valet, etc. So I went straight to AI Assist to see what that could do for me. So as you can see here, I'm asking it on the before save event to check certain fields for those non-standard characters, the document header fields, introductory notes, closing notes, custom memo 2, and the document items fields, descriptions, notes, and custom memo 01. These will vary based on your particular use case and what fields you're using in your PDFs, in your HTML, Quote Valet templates, etc. What I would like the script to do is, if there are any non-standard characters that appear, prompt the user with the field type, whether that be document header or document items, what characters appear and what field is in with the question, would you like to remove these characters from the specified field? So it's going to show the user the field the invalid characters or the non-standard characters, and it's going to offer to remove those fields for me. If the user clicks yes to that prompt, then rewrite the appropriate field values with without the non-standard characters. On completion, please toast the user with a success or failure message. Okay, now QuoteWerks Web AI Assistant has surprised me. It's generated slightly different scripts as I've been doing this. So let's see what it's going to produce for us this time. Okay, so we've got our constant declared at the top, the non-standard characters. This weird set of hieroglyphics is called a regex. It's a programming thing. I will put a link in the description to this video where you can find out more about regex and what these hieroglyphics mean. This has done something very similar to last time. It's created me a separate function, so rather than going through each field, each non-standard character individually, it's created a function for me which it's then going to call for the various different fields. And this has done it very nicely. Before, it has kind of repeated this chunk of code for each different field. What I like about this is it's put these header fields in an array, then it's looping through the array. So it's saving a few lines of code. It's making this much easier for me to maintain. I can easily just add on custom memo 3, memo 4, whatever I might want to add. Similarly with the document items. And each time it's calling that function that we saw at the top, check and clean the field. And at the end, it's doing that toast that I asked it to confirm that the character check has been completed. So let's hit the play button on that. Okay, so it's found that non-standard characters found in document header field value introductory notes, great. And it's also telling me that there was a greater than sign. And as I asked in the script, would I like to remove these characters? For now, I'm going to hit no. Just to go through it, and I want to show you a second iteration that I've done as well. Again, description, it's got greater than sign in. Description, it's got the greater than sign. But what it's not telling me here is the line number. Okay, I've got a document items field, but you know, where is that? It's not entirely clear. In this description field, I've got a square brackets opening and closing, but again, I can't go back and check the document, you know, is this producing the right result, or I can't easily go back and check the the document. Again, I'm going to hit no to this. Now I did make it's last one, document items, it's found an ampersand, and down the bottom there it's telling me that the non-standard characters check was complete. Now what I did was just change the way that this message is generated. If I go back to the code that I had earlier, so I'm going to take this bit out, I'm going to declare message as a variable rather than a constant. Just go copy that to the clipboard, and let's overtype that. Okay, what this is going to do is it's going to be exactly the same message for document headers, if field type is document header, but if the field type is document items and we've got a row index, then it's going to give me a bit more specific information about where that value was found. At the end here, it's also going to display the full field value, so I can kind of sanity check while I'm running the script. Yes, it has got a greater than, ampersand, whatever field value in there, and it doesn't mean that I'm flicking back between here and the workspace to check it out. So let's run this. Okay, so again, it's found it in Introductory Notes. There's only one document header, Introductory Notes, and here we can see that full field value, and yes, indeed, it does have that greater than symbol in here. I'm going to hit yes this time, so that will have replaced the value. And here again, document items, line 1. Okay, very specific. I know where I'm looking now if I want to go back and edit this for whatever reason. And I can see that greater than sign in there. I'm going to replace that. Again, the greater than sign, yes. And this time we've got square brackets. You'll notice that there's actually 2 lots of squared brackets, but it's only listing it up here once. Nice, tidy, nice and specific on what the issue is. Again, I'm going to hit yes to that. And here we are on the custom memo 1 field, and it didn't like the ampersand, which is there. Okay, sorry, it wasn't finding that one before. And again, I'll go hit yes. Non-standard character check complete down the bottom right hand side here. And now next time I run it, because I've replaced all those characters, all it's going to do is tell me that character check is completed. I've got no issues with this document, or no potential issues. Hope you found this useful. If you'd like to know more, you can contact us on the phone number at the top of the hilltopsit.co.uk website. You can there's some email addresses on the contact us page. If you'd like to know more about the custom developments that we do, or the products that we have for underneath the Connect It software brand, go to the connectit-software.co.uk website. There's options to chat with us. There's options to send us a message in any which way. If you'd like to know more about QuoteWerks, QuoteWerks Web, QuoteWerks API development, anything QuoteWerks related, then please get in touch. Hope you found this useful.